example of gun violence in our community. Tonight, we're learning what's being done to try to stop instances like this in King County.
The King County Board of Health is meeting today to discuss some of the data that they've collected. And Fox 13's Jennifer Dowling joins us now with their findings and their possible solutions, too. So, Jen, what are you learning?
Well, I'm learning that county health officials are very concerned about the amount of gun violence in the community. In some areas, it is per capita as bad as it is in Chicago. And with gun violence being the leading cause of death among children, health officials say it's more important than ever now to take action.
It's almost like we have a street team that's out patrolling the neighborhood.
The director of violence prevention programs at the YMCA of Greater Seattle is one of the leaders on the front lines in the fight to stop violence in the community through intervention, outreach, and mentorship.
Engage the young person holistically, so to be able to engage them, their family, and to be able to identify their natural supports and build upon those.
Health officials say gun violence is a public health emergency which has been tearing communities apart.
As of the last 2 years, gun violence has become the leading cause of death for children and teens in the United States.
From 2016 through 2020, King County reports that 880 residents died from firearms. In 2020 alone, 177 deaths occurred, and 105 children in King County died by firearms between 2002 and 2020. 67% of those were among ages 15 to 17, with health experts saying approximately 50% of the victims being African-American, Black men, and boys.
And the fact that the Black community in our region only makes up 7.24% of the population and is experiencing over 50% of the homicides is one of the most intimate forms of community violence impact in any part of the country.
According to the 2022 year-end incident report from the King County Prosecutor's Office, the total number of shots fired incidents in 2022 was up 16%. The regional approach towards change starts with data collection and analysis, tracking and mapping where shootings are happening, and then deploying teams to hotspots to respond. Program participation numbers show there are 300 youth enrolled, 190 hotspot engagements and community events held, 117 critical incidents responded to, and 150-plus families served.
Just a snapshot of some of the areas where the emphasis of the work has been happening according to that data that we've been collecting.
And as part of a push to collect more timely data, Emergency Medical Services will also track how many instances of firearm injuries they see in King County within a month's time.
We have a new EMS data dashboard that shows where EMS has responded to firearm injuries in our county.
And health officials say that data used to take sometimes a year, up to a year, to calculate. So having it have a turnaround time of a month is fantastic for those response times in order to get out to those hot spots in the community and intervene with that gun violence. Reporting live in Seattle, Jennifer Dowling, Fox 13 News.